Richie Ruckus Beats.
On YouTube, it's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Saturday, September 26th. We got a brand new sneaker pickup. We're going to do the unboxing, the review, and we're going to hit you with it on foot. And it's going to be a little bit different than what I've been putting out lately. We're not going to be doing the on foot here in the sneaker room. We're going to be going out into the elements and doing the on foot there. Traditionally, back when I started my channel, most of my on foots were done outside. But, you know, Philly is a northeastern city that catches a lot of bad weather. So once we started hitting a string of bad weather, I started doing all my own foot here in the sneaker room. So with that being said, I didn't really want to waste the opportunity and do the on foot here in the sneaker room. So we're going to go out. We're going to do an on foot that actually tells a story and ties in with this whole review of this pair of sneakers. Before we jump into this unboxing, shout out one more time to the good folks over at Lapstone Hammer. They helped your boy secure his pair that I desperately needed to grab today. But without further ado, you guys know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got the Air Max 98 I-95 in this hot lava colorway. The materials used on the sneaker are bananas. There's so many different types of suede. We got leather, we got mesh, we got a color blocking scheme that is subtle but also very, very detailed. As you can see with the ring light picking up, that these stripes throughout the leather mud guard right here. You got the hot lava running through the air bubble, hot lava pull tab, different shades of gray, suede, wool, mesh, black, long hair suede. These were just very, very nicely done by Nike. The colorway is exquisite, and they did 3 different Air Max models based off of the Interstate 95. And this is why I say the sneaker was kind of tailor-made for me. I grew up and live in a specific area of Philly that 95 is literally 3 blocks away from me. There's a 95 entrance and exit ramp literally blocks away. So we're going to tie that into the on foot look of this. And I just thought it was super dope. And like I said, really hits close to home when there's a pair of sneakers that is inspired by something so, you know, relatively close to home. Now, I know that there's sneakers that are made for Philadelphia and stuff like that. Usually it's involving a sports team. So when I say that 95 is close to home, all my commuting, everywhere I go, 95 is the starting point, whether I'm going to work, down the shore, going to do stuff with Nate, going out on daily road trips, adventures. 95 is an intricate part of my daily commute. So that's why I just felt that it was very dope and, close to home that Nike was able to retro one of my favorite Air Maxes of all time. It's the Air Max 1 and then the 98. Which I feel like is, again, symbolizes what I'm striving for in this channel. It's an underrated Air Max. I'm an underrated YouTuber. And I'm humble. Holler at your boy. But I just felt like it was nicely done. And like I said, just hit very, very close to home. The materials on here, as I previously stated, are just very, very nicely done. You got hints of hot lava on the tongue. Hints of hot lava and the 3M silver stripe on the lace loops. The combination of long hair and brush suede. These racer stripes going up the side, which I'm assuming is supposed to symbolize the black asphalt that is on Interstate 95, followed up by the white stripes that divide the lane like every other highway. The inside of the sneaker, same setup, same aesthetics as a usual Air Max 98. But as far as I'm concerned, these were definitely the best pair out of the pack. We had an Air Max 98 I-95, an Air Max 95 I-95, and an Air Max 97. And I feel like the 95 and 97 garner so much recognition and so much respect and are highly sought after in the sneaker community. Whereas the Air Max 98, if you take away the red and white Supreme collab and you take away the OG Gundam, no one really talks about the 98, and I feel like it's one of my favorite models that Nike has ever done, and it's one of the best Air Maxes that I have ever seen. And like I said, it was just a must for me with the story behind the sneaker. I'm not usually big on sneakers that are trying to tell some bogus story, but like I said, being from the northeast section of the United States and being from the East Coast, 95 runs all up and down here, from Miami all the way up to Philly, New York, even into, even more northern part of the East Coast. But that's it, guys. We're going to go bang out this on foot for you. I'll be back next week with some more videos, but until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
as possible. Richie Ruckus Beats.
Kidding? I am I-95. Holla!
Richie Ruckus Beats.